Good morning. Welcome back to Eagle Pride Nation, where we soar with resilience. Today is Friday, November 6, 2020. This is Eagle Pride News. I'm Fallon.
And I'm Maya, here to start your Friday off with our Eagle Pride weekly broadcast. Let's get started with the Pledge of Allegiance, followed by our school pledge with Jaden. Take it away, Jaden.
Thanks. I'm Jaden. Eagles, please rise to your feet to recite the Pledge of Allegiance and remain standing for the Eagle Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. I am a Barack and Michelle Obama Academy Eagle. I soar above my potential. I thrive despite any obstacles. I am strong. My mind is ready for challenges. My soul is free from difficulties. I soar like an eagle to limitless possibilities. This eagle is a champion, landing on triumphs through confidence, courage, love, and perseverance. I am a Barack and Michelle Obama Academy Eagle. Now please pause for silent reflection. Now here are a few words of wisdom. There's an old story about two stonecutters. When asked what they were doing, the first stonecutter replied, "I am cutting this stone into blocks." When asked the same question, the second stonecutter replied, "I am building a great church." The way we see the world can change in an instant with a simple change in our thinking. For example, if your attitude towards school is negative, guess what? Your time spent at school will be negative. If you see school as a chance to learn and grow and meet great people, guess what? You will be happy with going to school. The English says it this way: all happiness is in the mind. It's simple but true. Today, notice how you think about school and the world around you. With something to think about, this is Jaden Dart. Make it a great day, or not. The choice is yours.
Our instructional coaches, Miss Young, Miss Harrell, and Miss Walker, have a challenge for us. Let's pay attention.
Greetings, Eagle Nation. This is your instructional coach, Miss Young, and I'm so excited to see you all and challenge you this week to become more effective in your communication. Congratulations to these Eagles from Mrs. McMillan's second grade class. They used our word of the week from last week, arduous, in a sentence. Those Eagles are Aria, Charlie, Daquan, Caleb, Kayshawn, Jalea, Samuel, and Nigel. Congratulations. Each week, I'll provide for you a new word to enhance your vocabulary. Your challenge will be to use this word in a sentence. Remember, the 4 types of sentences are interrogative, asking a question; declarative, making a statement; imperative, making a command; and exclamatory sentence, showing great expression or excitement. I'm looking to see which Eagles will fly high above the clouds and meet the expectation for house points and weekly recognition. You can post your sentence in Google Classroom or through any of the other platforms that your teacher has available for you. So, who's ready for our word of the week? Our word of the week for November the 9th through November the 13th is consistent. The definition of consistent is always acting or doing something in the same way. A synonym for consistent would be steady. A sample sentence of the correct use of the word would be, I love how our scholars are consistent with turning in their assignments in Google Classroom. Now, it's your turn, Eagles. I can't wait to see how many sentences will populate in Google Classroom. And I can't wait for your teachers to tell me all about how you use it in your vocabulary this week. I'm looking forward to hearing from you soon, Eagles. Make me proud.
Hey Eagles, I'm Miss Harrell, one of your instructional coaches, and I am so excited that so many students are participating in the weekly math challenge questions. In kindergarten, the following winners from last week's question are from Miss Long's kindergarten classroom. They are Jacoby Lomnick, Serenity Malcolm, Kaylin Evans, and Courtney Houston. Great job, kindergarten. This week, your new question is, There are 2 green circles and 5 purple circles. Which color group has more circles? Good luck, kindergarten. Next up, the winners from last week's question in first grade are from Dr. Freeman's first grade classroom. The students are Naria Woods, Zywan Cruz, Shundell Clifton, Marquez Givens, and Chance Lucas. Good job, first grade. Your new question for this week is Fred has 11 marbles in his collection. If he gives 7 marbles to his best friend, how many marbles will he have left? All right, kindergarten and first grade, remember to answer this problem in your Google Classroom. Just click the Google form and answer this problem. All right, have a great week. Good luck, BAMO Eagles.
Hi, Eagles. It's Miss Walker, your math instructional coach. And last week, you were given a word problem of the week. And I am here to shout out all of the students who got the correct answer. So let's start with second grade from Miss Dixon's class. We have Tyler Hardnett. And then moving on to Miss McMillan's second grade class, we had Charlie C. and Aria H. Great job, boys and girls. I was so excited to see those great answers. Moving on to third grade, in Ms. Brignack's math class, we had Charmaine Woods and Jamario Clifton. Ms. Easton's fourth grade class, can you believe it? 14 students who had the correct answer. I was so excited to see that number. And moving on to Ms. Johnson's fifth grade class, we had Brad Blaylock along with Michaela Simmons. Boys and girls, you keep up the great work. And next week, I hope that list is so long that I cannot call as many names because everyone is going to complete it and get the correct answer. So I'm so excited. So shout out to all of those winners, and we are so proud of you, and keep rocking like the rock stars you are.
Our assistant principal, Mr. Shakir, has some information for us, so let's listen.
Hey, Eagle Scholars, it's your assistant principal, Mr. Shakir, wishing you guys a wonderful upcoming week. Just a few quick reminders. Scholars, next week on Tuesday and Wednesday, you guys will begin your benchmark testing in grades 3 through 5 in the areas of ELA and math. So boys and girls, as you are preparing for your benchmark testing, please be sure that you come to class on time next week and make sure that you have had a good breakfast and have had plenty of sleep so that you're prepared to take your test. Also, for our boys and girls in grades K through 2, next week your teachers will continue to work with you all on doing your iReady diagnostic. Boys and girls, please take your time. Please make sure that you answer all of the questions correctly because the results of this assessment will help your teachers really identify areas that they will work with you all on in terms of your classroom instruction. I wish you guys a great week. Stay fantastic, continue to soar, and make sure, boys and girls, that as you come to class each and every day, that you are paying attention to your teachers, that you come prepared, and that you are ready to learn. Have a wonderful week.
Miss Fouché has been keeping an eagle eye on our AR points and Beanstack log. Miss Fouché, who's leading the AR point club?
Thanks, Fallon. Let's remember, Eagles, our AR School-Wide Reading Challenge. Remember, you, kindergarten through second graders, are challenged to read at least 5 books per month, on or above your Lexile level. Third grade through fifth grade, you're challenged to read at least 3 chapter books or 10 non-chapter books per month on or above your Lexile level as well. And remember to take those AR tests as well as log those minutes inside of our Beanstack app. I'm super duper excited, Eagles. Ask me why. Well, it's because you guys did it. For the month of October, you are at the top for logging your minutes in the entire district. You logged 47,063 minutes. I can't say how excited I am that you logged those minutes in your Beanstack app. Please keep reading, keep taking AR tests, and keep logging those minutes. Eagles, remember our AR range dates. We've already started our next reward range. It started on October 23rd and it goes through November 19th. That reward date will be November 20th. That's right, Friday, November 20th. So be ready for that reward. And congratulations to all our October AR Challenge winners. Those of you who stopped by Friday to celebrate Miss Christian's birthday as well as pick up your treat, way to go. Here are a few pictures of that day. I was super excited to see this 5-point club growing. We have Savannah, Brad, Gregory, Heaven, McCaden, Genevieve, Kamaya, Sanaya, Messiah, Leonard, Kaylin, Aria, Tiana, and Brian. And in the 10-point club, we have Neiman, Angel, Samuel, Cameron, Charlie, Landon, Taylor, DeAndre, Fallon, and Tiaja. Welcome to the 25-point club, Peyton, Maya, Brandon, and Ivy. And again, welcome to the 100-point club, Jaden. She has a total of 139.2 points. Way to go. Also, congratulations to all of our October Challenge loggers in Beanstack. They logged their pages read. Jaden with 2,371 pages, Tatiana with 2,107 pages, Monsiah with 809 pages, Samuel with 525 pages, Charlie with 439 pages, Ari also with 439 pages, and Zakaria with 409 pages. These were our top page loggers. Stay tuned to see if you were one of the top loggers in our district who competed in the Georgia Tech Buzzer Readers program.
Ms. Copeland, our behavior specialist, has some house point recognitions. Who will it be? Will it be you?
Great morning, scholars. Remember, we are in our last week as we gear up for our house celebration this Friday. It could be anyone's win. Make sure you're doing everything you can to earn your house points this week. For our top point earners for last week, we have Juan Cruz with 56 points for House of Musoka, Armani Waitley with 51 points for House of Integrite, Chance Lucas with 47 points for House of Musoka, Shondell Clifton with 47 points for House of Integrite, and Kayshawn Brown with 47 points for House of Ami. For our faculty and staff, we have Ms. Goins with 23 points for House of Integrite, Ms. S. Johnson with 23 points for House of Hakima, Ms. Eason with 16 points for House of Ami, Mr. Shakir with 15 points for House of Integrite, and Ms. C. Walker with 15 points for House of Hakima. Congratulations to all of our top earners. Keep up the amazing work. Remember, next week it could be you.
Guess what time it is? It's time for our birthday shout-outs. Eagles, it's your day. Own it and let's celebrate.
Birthday. Somebody in here, it's your birthday. It's your birthday.
Monday, Dior Thomas will celebrate her birthday. On Tuesday, Javaris Palmer and Norie Pittman will celebrate. Ivana Peacock will celebrate on Thursday. And Friday, Bryson Powell and Lyric Wright will enjoy their big day. Have a happy birthday, Eagles. Eagles, let's get excited. We have a new segment called Streaming It Up with Samuel. He will give us an inside look on all things science. What's up, Sam?
Thanks, Fallon. Hi guys, my name is Samuel, and do you know how to get rid of all that extra candy from Halloween? Well, this is the right experiment. All you need are Skittles or M&Ms and put them all around in a plate. Oops. Oh, sorry. Right now what I'm going to do is pour my glass of water into the plate. You can see the Skittles raining there and pouring their color out of themselves. Here's my trusty assistant, Genevieve, who's gonna make some art for you.
So what we're gonna do, we're gonna make art by swirling it around, or you can do this. You can make little swirls and all the colors go out and they make a little
Piece of art. This has been Steaming It Up with Samuel. See you guys next time.
No, it's
it's time for Snacks with Jaden. Eagles, remember to share a picture of you making Jaden snack on our Instagram or Twitter. What are you sharing with us today, Jaden?
Hi, welcome to Snacks with Jade. Today we'll be making quesadillas. As always, you want to make sure that you wash your hands. The things you'll need to make your quesadillas are flour tortillas and any type of cheese. I'm using quesadilla cheese, and if you want a sauce. First thing you do is you dump your cheese onto your quesadilla and you spread it around. And you take your other quesadilla and you lay it on the top. And then you put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. And then it should look like this when it's done. I'm using sour cream, but as I said, you can use any type of sauce you want. Delicious. Back to you.
This has been Eagle Pride News.
Thanks for joining us.
And students have a great weekend.
See you Monday.
Remember our 4 equal expectations.
Be kind, be responsible.
Be respectful, be safe.
Have a great Eagle Pride Day.